I really need to get better at recording stuff. I always forget after I've basically finished everything. This is a Polaris Sportsman 450. It's my buddy's. He had some issues with some mice. They got into the wiring, so I went ahead and basically rewired everything that was chewed up. Took apart all the clips and the connectors and cleaned them up, rewired it, put the wires back where they're supposed to be. It was having issues when it wouldn't click over, no. It would click over, but when you started, it would just start forever. So after all the wires were hooked up, it started right away, fired, and I drove down the driveway around the yard, and I couldn't get it to start no more. It died on me. Well, I'm an idiot and realized the gas was off, and he told me that afterwards. So I got the gas on, and it just started pouring gas everywhere. So I took the carburetor apart and blew all the jets out, cleaned up the bowl, which it was honestly really clean. I think the float was just sticking, and got it all fixed. But there was a crack in the bowl, which was causing a small gas leak. So I took that crack and just covered it with some RTV, so that way it's just a quick fix and it's not going to leak anymore. I will say, do not grab the hot end of a soldering iron, because it'll burn the freaking heck out of you. But this thing's pretty cool. Just waiting on that RTV to dry, and I'm going to go ahead and put the carburetor back on, turn the gas on, make sure it doesn't leak. It starts up right now, and when you give it gas, it works good. It definitely needs an air filter in that air box. You could tell mice got into it. It needs a lid too, but it's pretty nice in the garage today. Raining, so it's actually pretty cool. Cool as in temperature-wise in here. It's not too bad, so we'll go from there. So weird how that works. That's pretty cool.
I hope you like that.
And now you have to let it sit for a while.
That's legitness. I probably will be. I watched when you pierce clips here.
That hurts. When Josh pierced his nose with the nail gun. That shit hilarious. This will be the second video I have you pissing on.
Where's the first one?
It's coming.
Where was I at?
He's on that
truck.
That truck.
On the truck? Oh,
How's it going?
bad.
Bad?
Bad.
Why?
That time is
Marty!
I'm just gonna do gray and black or red. That white ain't working really well.
Okay. Do whatever you need to, man. You're the artist. A wheelie? I can't either, dude. No matter what, I busted my ass earlier. It's a face-off. Huh?
That's a pretty decent one. Low back brake.
almost got Marty back there.
He'll move.
Oh my goodness. Rampant. I didn't see it.
I think it's stopping.
Is it?
It was.
Your dog's wore out.
He loves it, dude. Brady likes it too. I need to get him another water bucket.
I like it. Better than me.
Continue riding. You put that dude on anything.
You gotta sit down.
Huh?
You gotta sit down.
How fast you been going?
I don't give a shit. I don't understand, dude.
I don't either.
I don't get it. I can't do it. I get way too scared.
Fuck you, setting.
I just don't understand how he does it.
So easily, dude. I mean, he can pop it up whenever, wherever, however.
Freeman, quality dry raw products.
That's what you get.
Huh?
Too much.
How's Freeman drywall products?
They're good.
Are they? Tell me about them.
The mud's good.
Are they? What about the drywall?
They don't make drywall, they make mud.
Why? You tell me the truth. Huh? You don't want to talk to me anymore?
I'm busy. I'm trying to concentrate.
On what?
Trying to tie this damn chain up. I don't have the blocks for it.
Did you order it? I thought you ordered them.
Yeah. What was it, August 27th?
Oh, yeah.
Two hours later.
You good, dude? What happened? Huh? You sure?
I don't get them mother.
Huh?
I could stop jacking. Thanks for
Cigarettes, it gross as shit, dude. I don't know why you smoke. Huh?
That's rough.
Oh my God. wish I would have got more of that.
I knew you. I figured you were about to be able to.